Nonya good life njite. No, gwe teze bigalu bindi byo. Chenga macha good life yajja mu 2008. Nze naliwo from not your time. I scored 2007 pama award nenkomaawe ebisigadde kasasirowo. Move. Unagenda kunyiza nanyu.
No, sir.
Okay. I said my downfall was
okay. Downfall. What happened? What was your downfall?
My downfall is you to bring a camera around me always.
No, you're talking about good life. Did the good life contribute to your downfall?
I'm saying.
I'm also saying.
Gamma, I'm asking.
Did good life contribute to your downfall?
Very much. It was a generation like you fools. You should be dead by now. Yes, no, check Gamba.
What happened?
Yourself. I was very calm with him because Omusai.
Because for me, we are supposed to talk. Right now,
I am not Rocky Giant. I'm here. Katinonya Rocky Giant.
Good life to good life yakurachi
yakutsuloga. I talked about generation.
Yes.
But then put it bulungi.
You had good life. What happened?
We abe chichiwe but terera bulungi ndabo.
What happened?
Oswala.
Before you blame people for your downfall. Chechali waloki giant.
Mama oyanga no kuzaala ne mugamba sagala byana biringa gwe mama that is it.
Even my mom wouldn't produce for
you see any TV. Tolaba bitobazanga mwana I can kick you. Oli serious over dokola concept. Please believe me. Answer me. So get now mbuza. Was it real or you were just hyped?
This we are doing content general.
I'm not a content. Go fuck your mama content. What maybe if you take you.